How to make money with business card with Canva and Fiverr. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make money with Canva fast and easy in 1 minute. So as you all know, Canva is a free designing where there is a lot of templates on it for free that you can sell or use as you want. And Fiverr is one of the most famous successful freelancers app or website. As you can see, this is the Fiverr. Now we can see that there is people here that selling business card for $10, $10, and this one is selling them for $100. Imagine that this guy just sold four of them and it is $400, fast and easy. Now if you want to start selling them too, just go to Canva and go to the home page, and then go down here and click on this plus button and search for business cards. If you search it for business card, just click on them like this and wait a few seconds. It will take you to this page. Right here on this page you will find free templates that you can sell, and they are free. If you want the pro version you can pay for it, but there is free designs here that you can sell, as you can see, and they are so professional. And yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.